My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on Applied Data Science with Python. This is lecture number 292. In this lecture, we will try to understand variations of KD tree, that is k-dimensional tree. There are some interesting variations to KD tree. I am on the Wikipedia page for KD tree. This page is very nice. It gives you all the explanations that we discussed. It gives you very nice explanation of how to find nearest neighbor, and I strongly recommend all of you actually read through Wikipedia pages after we learn a technique, because that gives you much more detailed information. Here there is also nice code. Just observe, here we have a nice code in Python programming language for how to create or build KD tree. So I strongly recommend you to go through algorithm for searching nearest neighborhood. This algorithm is also clearly explained in this particular Wikipedia pages. I love reading through Wikipedia articles, very well documented. And let's look at some variations of KD tree. There are different variations of KD tree. What we have seen is, just see here, just observe this particular slide, just see what it says. There are different, what we have seen is some simple KD tree. There are lots of variations that people have come up over the years as part of the fundamental research. So there is a tree called implicit KD tree. There is a tree called min-max KD tree, relaxed KD tree. All these are variations, are close variations. I can say they're close variations of KD tree. There are also some other important variations. There are known as related variations. They are called as quad trees, arc trees, ball trees, R trees. There are different types of trees, even vantage point trees. These all are slightly more important variations. If you speak strictly, there is one important KD tree, that is a ball tree. Where is this is my ball tree, isn't it? In ball trees, instead of using hyperplanes to separate, we use balls to separate. All these are variations of KD tree. Of course, there is a lot of research that has been done for the last 40 years on how to modify KD tree. There is a lot of research on how to modify KD tree. There are different modifications for KD tree, because KD tree was created for computer graphics, isn't it? How to modify KD tree to be more useful for machine learning. Because of all these modifications, people have come up with variations of KD trees which could work for machine learning. For example, if you take scikit-learn, we discussed a lot about this scikit-learn library, which I told you one of the most popular Python libraries for machine learning. We will see the concept like ball trees. In next few lectures, I will discuss about the concepts like ball trees, which are implemented. Those are implemented in scikit-learn to compute KD tree. Some of them are more popular and some of them are less popular. Again, this is not an end of your learning. If you want to explore more about KD tree, Wikipedia has very brilliant variations on KD trees which you can go through. Thank you very much.